Here we are, Saya Monkey. Saya, how old are you today? 6.5 weeks. Wow. Aren't you getting to be a big girl? What's your shirt say? Ah, is that what you are? Yeah, I think so. I think so. Mm-hmm. Oh boy. What's happening today, huh? It's just you and Mommy. Daddy's been gone for almost a week in Europe. Yeah. And now it's just the two of us. One more week and a little more even. Oh. Hi. Look at you. You gonna fall over? Hi. Let's get you up. Oi. What you looking at? Mm-hmm. Okay. Oi. There. Look how pretty you are. Oh. Yeah. Look at you. Look at you.